How to save Instagram Reels in your gallery. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to save your reels that you post on Instagram to your gallery. So let's get into it. The first way you can do that is by just opening up your camera. So I'll just swipe and it will open up our story, post and reel. So you just have to go to reels, then go to settings by clicking on this option at the top left corner. So here we have our camera settings. You have to click on reels and then you will get the option of save reels to your device. Automatically save your reels to your phone. They'll be saved when you publish them. So you have to enable this option and it will allow you to save your reels on your camera. So this is for the future reels. Let's say that I have one already posted. So I'll just go to my profile and I will just open up the reels, and let's say that I want to save this reel to my camera. So click on these three dots, click on save, and this reel will be saved to your camera. Save to camera roll, click on it and you will be able to do so. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.